If you're over 50 and wake up every morning with stiff joints, constant fatigue, and that heavy feeling in your body, the problem might not be age. It might be what you're drinking every single day. And what I'm about to reveal will shock you because almost nobody talks about this. But before I show you the ancient secret that's been helping thousands of people over 50 feel 20 years younger, hit that like button right now, subscribe to Power of Teas, and turn on notifications. Because what you're about to discover could change your life forever, and you don't want to miss any of our natural health secrets. Here's what most people don't understand. After 50, your body goes through a silent transformation. Inflammation starts building up in your joints, your organs, your entire system. And that morning coffee you love so much, it's making everything worse. Coffee raises cortisol levels, dehydrates your cells, and triggers inflammatory responses in your body. And the worst part? Most doctors won't tell you this because they're too busy prescribing medications that only mask the symptoms. But there's something else happening inside your body right now. Every time inflammation increases, your cells age faster, your joints deteriorate, your energy disappears, and you start feeling like you're living in a body that doesn't belong to you anymore. Now, what if I told you that ancient civilizations discovered a powerful remedy over 5,000 years ago? A golden elixir that reduces inflammation, relieves pain, and restores vitality. And modern science is only now confirming what they already knew. Researchers from leading universities have been studying this incredible plant, and what they found is absolutely mind-blowing. This natural compound has anti-inflammatory properties 400 times more powerful than many pharmaceutical drugs. And it's been hiding in plain sight all along. Imagine waking up one morning and actually feeling rested. No stiffness, no pain shooting through your knees when you stand up, no brain fog clouding your thoughts, just pure natural energy flowing through your body like you're 30 again. That's exactly what thousands of people over 50 are experiencing right now. They replaced their morning coffee with this powerful anti-inflammatory tea, and within just 7 days, their lives completely transformed. Their joint pain decreased dramatically. Their energy levels skyrocketed, their skin started glowing, and they finally felt like themselves again. But here's the part that almost nobody knows. Studies published in respected medical journals have shown that this particular tea contains a compound called curcumin. And curcumin doesn't just reduce inflammation, it actually blocks the molecules that cause inflammatory diseases in the first place. Clinical trials demonstrated that people who consumed this tea daily experienced a 58% reduction in joint pain. Their mobility improved significantly, and their overall quality of life increased in ways they never thought possible after 50. But the pharmaceutical industry doesn't want you to know about this, because if everyone discovered how powerful this natural remedy is, they'd lose billions of dollars in medication sales. That's why this information stays hidden from the mainstream. So what is this miraculous tea? It's the powerful combination of turmeric and ginger. Two ancient roots that, when combined, create the most potent anti-inflammatory elixir known to mankind. Turmeric contains that magical curcumin I mentioned. It penetrates deep into your cells, fighting inflammation at the molecular level. It protects your brain, strengthens your immune system, and even helps prevent diseases that come with aging. And ginger. Ginger is like nature's pain reliever. It contains compounds called gingerols that work similarly to anti-inflammatory medications, but without any of the dangerous side effects. Together, they create a synergy that's absolutely unstoppable. Here's what happens inside your body when you drink this tea. Within 30 minutes, the curcumin and gingerols enter your bloodstream. They travel to your inflamed joints, your aching muscles, your tired organs. And they start working immediately. They shut down the inflammatory pathways. They activate your body's natural healing mechanisms. They flush out toxins that have been accumulating for years. And slowly but surely, your body starts remembering what it feels like to be healthy again. But there's a secret to making this tea work even better. You need to add a pinch of black pepper. Why? Because black pepper contains piperine, a compound that increases the absorption of curcumin by 2,000%. Without it, most of the curcumin just passes through your body without being used. Now let me give you the exact recipe that's changing lives. Take 1 teaspoon of fresh grated turmeric or half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add 1 teaspoon of fresh grated ginger or half a teaspoon of ginger powder. Put them in a cup with hot water. Add a pinch of black pepper. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. You can add a teaspoon of honey if you want it sweeter, and drink this powerful elixir first thing in the morning before breakfast. Do this for just 7 days, and I promise you'll feel the difference. Your body will thank you in ways you can't even imagine right now. But wait, there's more. This tea doesn't just fight inflammation. It also boosts your metabolism, helping you lose that stubborn weight that accumulates after 50. It improves your digestion, eliminating bloating and discomfort. It sharpens your mind, clearing that brain fog that makes you forget simple things. It strengthens your heart, reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. And it even fights free radicals, slowing down the aging process from the inside out. People who drink this tea regularly report better sleep, clearer skin, stronger nails, and an overall sense of well-being they haven't felt in decades. It's like turning back the clock on your entire body. Now, I need to warn you about something important. When you start drinking this tea, your body will begin detoxifying. You might feel a little different in the first few days. That's completely normal. It's your body releasing all those accumulated toxins. Some people experience slight digestive changes. Others feel a surge of energy they're not used to. But push through those first few days, and you'll reach the other side where true transformation happens. And here's something crucial. This tea is powerful, but it's not magic. You still need to eat well, move your body, and take care of yourself. But this tea will give you the foundation, the energy, and the pain relief you need to actually do those things. Think about this for a moment. How would your life change if you woke up tomorrow without pain? If you had the energy to play with your grandchildren, to travel, to pursue hobbies you gave up years ago? What if you could look in the mirror and see someone vibrant, alive, and full of life staring back at you? That's not a fantasy. That's what this tea can help you achieve. And it starts with one simple decision today. So here's what I want you to do right now. Go to your kitchen and make this tea. Don't wait until tomorrow. Don't put it off. Your body has been suffering long enough, and it deserves relief today. And if this video opened your eyes to something you didn't know before, smash that like button. Subscribe to Power of Teas, because we're revealing natural health secrets every single week that could save your life. Leave a comment below telling me, what's the biggest health challenge you're facing after 50? I read every single comment, and your story might be featured in our next video. Plus, your comment helps other people realize they're not alone in this journey. Share this video with someone you love who's over 50 and struggling with pain or inflammation. You could literally change their life with one simple share. Remember this: the secret to aging gracefully isn't hidden in expensive medications or complicated treatments. It's found in the wisdom of nature, in the plants that have been healing humanity for thousands of years. Every cup of this golden tea is a step toward the life you deserve. A life without pain, without limitations, without feeling trapped in an aging body. The power to transform your health is literally in your hands right now. Don't let another day go by feeling less than your best. Start this journey today, and 7 days from now, you'll look back and thank yourself for making this choice. The secret to living well after 50 isn't in the pharmacy, it's in nature. And it begins with one simple cup of tea.